welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing great. And if you are new to my channel, a very warm welcome. So it's already the coming of winters. So Beauty with Aparna and myself thought that let's do a beauty regime for winters. So we know the winters are the best season of the month, at least for me. I know there are a lot of people who are like, winters are so cold, they feel dry, they feel sad about winters. But for me, it's the best time of the year. So I would like to happily greet winters, and I'm going to share with you guys what to do to take care of your skin this winter. Beauty with Aparna is also my YouTube friend who is going to share with you how you're going to take care of your hair during the winters. So let's jump right into it. Point number 1. Keep yourself hydrated. Winters are the time when we do not feel thirsty very often because of the beautiful weather. But guys, do not forget to drink water. I am happy with my little mason jar. Keep a pretty bottle. It will attract you towards it and you are going to keep yourself hydrated. Next, point number 2. My body skincare. This Jack Olive Oil, I am using it for the longest time. Like, I have seen this in the washroom of my house for at least the past 10 years or maybe more. So I would suggest you use olive oil on your body and arms before you go for bathing. So Jack Olive Oil is a must. So what I use for my regular bathing routine is I use this Pink Wild at Heart 2-in-1 Wash and Scrub by Victoria's Secret. I bought this when I was at Bali. This is a regular wash and scrub. This is a shower gel cum a scrub. So it is very good at exfoliating all the dead skins on my hands, legs and on my body. So I really recommend this. I do not want you to buy the one from Victoria's Secret only. You can buy any available scrub from the market, and if it's a little coarse you can go like twice a week or once a week according to your dryness. But do not skip on this because in the winters you see the dead cells are even more because your skin is really dry. Next is the body lotion. This is also Pink Warm and Cozy by Victoria's Secret. I have been using this because I love how it smells. The reason I bought this was of the smell, and the best part about this is it stays on my body put the whole day. Like, I apply it before going to office, and when I'm back from office and I smell, I can still feel that it's there. So this is that good. So I really, if any one of you is traveling anywhere, or if you can get your hands on the Victoria's Secret Pink range, I would really recommend this to you. And for all the others, the trusted Nivea is always there. And today I'm going to show you a DIY pack which is homemade, and you can do it with very less ingredients. You can do this pack and be winter ready, and it really moisturizes your skin. So let's get into it.
Honey, ripe banana and milk. These are the 3 ingredients we require for this face mask. I have smashed the ripe banana. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of raw milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey, and I'm going to mix it well, and the pack is ready.
So the mixture is now ready, and I'm going to apply it to my face. You can use it with a brush, but unfortunately I'm not able to find my brush anywhere, so I will have to do it with my fingers. So if you don't like the smell of banana, I would say overlook the smell and do it for your skin. So I'll apply it to my skin and I'm going to let it dry. And meanwhile, you can carry on with your other beauty regimes, or read a book, doze off with your phone, or dance. You can do some calories. So this is almost dried down, like you can see. I wanted to quickly tell you why I use these ingredients. Banana. It has intense vitamin E, C and potassium, which is very good for clear, moisturized and glowing skin. honey. It's naturally antibacterial, so it is very good for acne treatment, prevention, and also it is full of antioxidants, which is really good for your anti-aging. Milk has vitamin D, which boosts collagen formation on the skin, which again prevents from which also has anti-aging properties. So that's why I also used milk, and milk has a natural skin glowing and cleaning property, helps fade darkness and spots on the face, leaving a very smooth and clear skin. So I hope I justified why I used these 3 ingredients, and I shall wash off my face and be back to show you how it feels and looks like. So I have washed off my face and it feels very smooth and brightened and moisturized. So the first thing which I noticed is when I was applying the pack, for general any other pack, it actually becomes very dry and you just cannot move your lips or anything. For this pack you will not notice that, and the fact is we do not want our skin to be dried out like hell because it's already dry in the winter. This is a moisturizing pack and you shall feel your skin very hydrated and supple after the pack is removed, like I am feeling at the moment. Don't forget to try this out this winter and let me know in the comment section below if you liked it, and I shall be back with some new tutorials, DIYs very soon. Then take care and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, maybe they can find some help as well. Don't forget to check out Aparna's channel, which I'm going to link down below. See you soon. Bye.